Hey, welcome back to another delicious recipe. Today we have got a fantastic recipe that's perfect for family dinners. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our mouth-watering loaded rice creation. In a mixing bowl, take boneless chicken, cut into small cubes, add ginger garlic paste, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder, hot spice blend or garam masala powder, coriander powder, and yogurt. Mix all ingredients thoroughly. And marinate for at least half an hour. Heat oil in a pan, then add the marinated chicken. Cook on medium to low heat for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. The chicken will cook in its own juices, so no need to add water. The chicken is perfectly done. Set it aside. But wait, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more tempting recipes. Back to the recipe. In another pan, heat some oil, add cabbage, carrot, capsicum, salt, black pepper powder, and soy sauce. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add green onion leaves. Set it aside. Make a sauce by combining mayonnaise, yogurt, chili garlic sauce, a pinch of salt, black pepper powder, and some water. Mix them well and set them aside. Take a serving dish and layer it with boiled rice. Drizzle some sauce over the rice. Add a layer of veggies. Cooked chicken. You can toss in some fries, totally optional, but it adds a tasty twist. Pour some more sauce and sprinkle green onion leaves for garnish. Your flavor-packed dish is now ready to be served. Enjoy the burst of colors and flavors in this delightful creation. This dish is not only delicious but also a breeze to whip up. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, share and give us your feedback. Until next recipe, keep cooking, keep smiling.